Okay, so I'm gonna teach you a little trick, and I don't think a lot of people do this, but I did it and it worked. So I've done it with cocoa coir, but I'm gonna do it with the rock wool this time because it is squishy. But I'm gonna take 2 and put them in a cup. So let me show you how that actually looks. Okay, so the thing about it is usually you just put 1 per cup because that's what they suggest. However, I haven't seen somebody say no to this, but I put 2. So there's 2 seedlings in here. If you only put 1 variety in it, it's just kind of like, let me try and see. Well, it would look like that essentially because I did a harvest off of 1, but one of the things I feel like wouldn't be so abundant. But yeah, the 2-fer seems to do kind of amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna do that with this guy. Take you out, brother. Okay, so I should probably just throw this little thing here. Oh, crotch shot. Nobody wants to see that. So I'm just gonna take off the excess rock wool. Just on the sides. If you have cocoa coir, again, highly suggest you use that. More sustainable because it's a waste product. Rock wool is not. But again, I didn't buy these. It came with my tower. Okay, so yes, that's how this works. Put them in. Make sure the root's there. And a whittle. Squish it in. And we'll see how that does. I'm sure it'll do fine. It'll probably just look like that in about 2 weeks. That literally only took 2 weeks to grow like that. And then if you harvest every week, it'll just come back in a week. So 100% worth it.